Hey friends, this is a quick video on how to add custom fonts and use two fonts on your website design. So our lovely web designer has created this design here and I'm responsible for building it out. And just to show you, the original design is that we want the text here to be this fancy text. So this is one font, this is a second font, and then this is this original font. So with that said, we're trying to do the same thing here. So what you're going to do is build out your page and add your custom fonts. Then in your Elementor content box, you're going to add a code that says span class. And what I did is just the font names so that I can reference this when I go to write the custom CSS in the box here. And I'll show you how to do that in a second. So you're going to make sure that you do this for each and every word that you want to be a special font. It's not going to render on here in the preview, but it will when you go to actually see the page. So here you can see that I've done the span class font spring, and then it's only going to be your, and actually I'm going to update this to lowercase. So it's where your values, and then I'm going to update. That's the first thing you're going to do. Second thing that you're going to do is come here and go into your WordPress backend, and you are going to upload your custom font. Now this works with any sort of plugin that you have, so just make sure that your font name is easy to recall when you go and type it into the CSS custom code box. So what do I mean by that? Once you have this saved and it's on your custom fonts kind of folder here, you're going to come in here and go to the additional CSS page here. So here I like to leave myself little notes so I know what is going on. So this one is custom fonts. And then here I'm just going to type in dot font spring, which is the class that I gave, and font family, and then font spring regular. So notice how this is exactly what I have written in here. And if you don't remember, you can always go into your font files to check what you called it. Okay, so now I'm going to make sure that that is okay. Once I have this done, you're going to make sure you click publish, and since I already did this before, it won't let me do that again. But once you have it done, it should render on here, and I'm going to refresh this page just to show you. So you can see how this is now the font that you want. Now, a little quick caveat, because of the way this is set up, if you want to edit the specific font here, you're going to have to go through this area to custom code, let's say the font size, any sort of leading, any sort of fancy other items that you want to do to that font. You need to do it via the CSS here, and so that's how you make your fonts show up that way. So I thought I could upload this really quick video for anyone else who is experiencing the same questions that I had. I'll also link the other two videos that I referenced to get to this specific item. And for anyone that had an issue looking for their font, you want to make sure that your custom font is named exactly what you called it in the file on here. So like I said, if you don't remember, please go into your font plugin, whatever you're using. We're using the free version of Elementor, so this is definitely possible. Now, if you have the paid version, it's going to be even easier. You can just go ahead and do it in their custom CSS panel. And anyways, so yeah, you're just going to make sure that this is the correct name so that it can find that name for you. Okay, this is it. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you in the next one.